Yes, I support two women should do job. Good evening, sir. Good evening, friend. I'm Mamta from Mumbai. I'm practicing in the criminal and civil side. So today we are going to debate on women should do job or not. So I support the women's doing job because women are getting education. They are getting highly education, from childhood. So after marriage, she should her job. I think so because she is getting high education. She spend her time to get education.
Okay. It means you are saying she should do the job, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Pranit, do you have any objection? She is saying women should do job. It is compulsory for all women. What do you
Yes,
want
sir.
to say on this topic?
Yes, sir. Respected sir and my dear friends, good evening to all of you. Today I'm going to share one debate topic. The topic is women should do job or not. In my favor, I'm in my opponent, say Mamta madam. She favor women should do job, and in my favor, I'm against uh, women should do not do the job because of some problems in today competitive world. There are lot of stress, lot of mentally harassment, as well as so that is some problem. So that's why I explain one by one.
But on the
If
she just said one first point is she is saying that woman is getting higher education, so she has the right to do the job. What do you want to say about this topic? It's, if she is saying woman should just getting higher education, that's why woman should do the job. What do you want to say on this point?
but if woman should doing the higher level job now, that he forget his family, for about a family care.
Okay,
Also, if both are working people, then it's not care properly care about family. Also, uh, communication gap is too much low. That is
okay,
important for today's day-to-day life.
okay, okay. It means you are
This
saying that
communication is not happen in both of families,
okay.
and if both are higher educated and higher level job now, then
Hmm.
the increase of some divorce cases are also increased today.
Okay,
So it
okay,
happens because of both are well educated. Nobody
okay.
can understand easily. They got angry easily, got angry and take immediate
Right, right, right.
decision for wrong decision.
Okay, okay, okay,
So
okay,
that's why I'm against for that.
okay. Mamta madam, what do you want
If
to?
you do the well education higher level now, then you also develop your family, develop your child career
Okay,
is also
okay,
needful.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay.
If
Actually,
you
I'm
want
also
fill
just
up,
no, no, madam.
yes, sir.
He is saying that both people, suppose they were good educated, and after that, his point is now divorce cases is increasing or family matters are increasing. What do you want to say about this topic? You can just first explain to me,
Oh,
because
okay.
he's sometime we are just looking that his opinion also we are looking everywhere, his points also
Hmm.
we are getting everywhere. So you are as a criminal lawyer, what do you want to think about this topic, about this point? Because that issue is correct, but Pranit is saying because of both people are educated, that's why it is increasing. What do you think about this topic, about this point?
Sir, actually, I'm thinking that men are not supporting two women.
Okay.
They don't accept that she's getting too much money than him.
Hmm.
They want to accept that
Okay.
firstly. And if you want to fill up this gap, communication gap,
Hmm.
so you have Sunday or Monday,
Hmm.
Saturday, Sunday. You got holidays. You can go anywhere with your family. You can spend with their time with family. in
Okay.
summer vacation, in Diwali vacation.
Hmm.
You can fill up this communication gap
Mhm. Mhm.
between these. So you can
Mhm.
solve this question.
Okay, okay, okay. But are you agree with Praneeth some points or not?
Okay.
If he said that now because of education, now people are just troubling more. It means they are just increasing the family issues or whatever. Are you just agree with this point or not?
This is not this is not solution for a woman should do not job.
Okay.
This is choice of their couples.
Okay, 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 okay,
It's not depends on woman jobs.
okay, okay, okay. But why it is now everywhere we are just listening this issue? Why it is? Because we are comparing this issue towards last 20 years back before. If you will see that time, that family relation were too much good in both of them, because what was happening only now, what is happening, suppose woman is just getting job and she is suppose going to work. After coming to home, she will be sometime irritated, stressful, and her expectations will be not good for their with their children also. Because what is happening, man also
Women
thinking
are
that
doing their duty.
yes, yes, you can carry.
Some women
Your
are
voice is
very
not clear.
seriously. They
Okay,
are managing their families and job. Hello.
okay, 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 okay.
Hello.
Huh.
And actually, what happens that in social media,
Hmm.
both people are using social media more.
Right, I
They
was coming
spend
in
too
this
much
point.
time on
Yeah.
social media, and they
Okay,
get very easily another chance, another option on
okay,
social media. So they attract to another easily.
okay, 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 okay. Okay, it means you are just firm that woman should do the job, right? Can you
Yes.
explain any other point, woman, why woman should do job? Praneeth, do you have any?
Actually,
Before that, just I want to ask to Praneeth. Praneeth, do you want? Do you have any explanation about Mamta madam? Do you want to just clear some points about this all discussion?
Yes, I add one point
Huh.
discuss with my opponent, Mamta madam. Uh, my next point is uh, fa- communicating with family and communicate with care about child.
Okay.
If both are working people, then what happens?
Mm.
They not easily communicate with each other
Okay. Okay.
because of both are working people. They a lot of time spent in office as well as family work.
Right.
So that's why it happened, and that's why the baby care center, daycare center are
Increasing.
both parents are get got admit in baby care and daycare center. But all baby care and daycare center is not good for our child.
Right. Right.
It's if your baby, for example, if your baby is 3 to 4 years old, then it's not. Yeah, as per my advice, don't in this age is a need for parents because of only mother can care proper care for each child.
Right. Right. Right.
Also, if you any grandpa, grandmother are in our family, now that time also not care. That time
Oh,
you are some of the some parents are shifted in आश्रमला काय बोलतात सर
orphanage.
सॉरी
Orphanage. Orphanage.
orphanage shifted in orphanage. So that
Mhm.
is bad for our because
Okay.
it's a cycle for life
Right. Right.
a
Right. Right.
baby and so that's why is not a proper care about family
Okay.
also because of in today's competitive world na,
Right.
the life will be very stressful.
Right.
Woman can if woman can do the job then what happened he got early got up in early morning and create some breakfast
Yes,
made some breakfast.
she has to
She
wake
has
up too early, right?
she has to wake up early. Also, uh, do all work.
Right,
All family members care about family members. After that, she went to join in a travel.
right, right,
In
right,
for example, in Mumbai local train, there is a lot of rush.
right,
All people are tried in traveling.
right,
So the women can also do this, but a lot of try. After that, he went to the job, and also in our uh, in her office, there is also some stress for work.
right, right.
And Mamta Madam is Saturday, Sunday.
Hmm.
Some private companies are if your holidays Saturday, Sunday, na, that was also they do the work,
Right, right, right,
giving you work.
right,
So
right,
that time you can't spend the time for. If both are working people, then what happen? If I'm working now, my holidays is Tuesday or Wednesday,
right,
and if my partner holidays is Saturday, Sunday, then what? Then why
right,
communicate? No one can easily available
right, right,
with
right,
family communication.
right. And it impact goes to their family issue, right?
Family also. Yes,
Right,
sir.
right, right, right. I can understand.
So that's why I'm against for people.
Okay,
Women should
okay,
not do the job
okay. Mamta madam?
because because women are a pillar. Women
Right,
are a base for a family.
right, 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 right.
Because every family member can uh, easily can understood, easily can share everything, share with his mother.
Right,
So
right,
it's a needful today.
right,
So
right.
that's why I'm against for that point.
Okay. Mamta madam, do you want to clear?
If you're talking about child care,
Hmm.
I grew up in baby care center. I don't think so. It's bad for children.
Hmm.
Hello,
Yes, yes, we are listening.
hello.
Yes, we are getting voice.
In foreign country, so
Hmm.
I grew up in baby care center. I don't think so. It's bad for children. In
Hmm.
foreign countries, parents are doing their job
Hmm.
separately, and actually they live separately.
Hmm. Hmm.
They
Hmm.
take appointment from their parents for
Hmm.
meeting them,
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
they develop their self,
Okay,
and,
okay.
by good way they develop the by and
But
at
the
the
foreign
age
people's
of
mentally will be
21
changed.
or before
Belong
21
with Indian people.
they settle they their children are settled in
Okay,
foreign countries,
okay, okay, okay.
Mamta madam,
and
if you
actually it
find the
depends on that child,
mentality status of Indian people and foreign people is very too much
so to
different.
change your state
In
of
our society,
mentality,
in
so
our
so
society,
you want to change your mentality, so you want to change your
no,
mentality.
no. Yeah, speed is needful, na.
Okay. It
In
means
in
you're
It's
some
needful for their
I told
child
one
children's,
example of baby care center.
and
In
yes, yes.
I last 4 to 5 years I was
to
surveillance in
send to
banking and
send
crime
your
sector
children to
as well as
good baby
as
care
well as
center,
as well as international
to
baby
send
care
your baby
center.
to good care
What happened?
baby care center.
No, it. I am agree
First
with.
I complained my point.
Huh.
Uh, I was working in e-surveillance industry in
So
banking
I
or
want
crime
to
sector.
speak that
Just a minute,
Sanjay
just a
Dutt,
minute.
Sanjay
Okay,
Dutt. No,
just a
just
minute.
wait
First,
minute.
I
You
complete my
wait
point.
minute.
First, I
You know
complete
the
my point.
Sanjay Dutt.
Yeah.
Their father, his father and mother was working as an actor. There was an actor.
Right.
Okay, but what happened? He went to. I think he was a druggist in 2018.
Because
Right.
both
Before
are working
2018,
people.
no,
So
so I
that's what
don't know.
happened.
Yes. Right. Right.
Because both are
Both
working.
are working.
Hmm.
And you know Abhishek
So
Bachchan,
that's why
he is
I'm
now
against
good
for
actor.
women should
And you
not
know
do
the
the job.
Abhishek Bachchan.
Hmm.
You know Abhishek Bachchan.
Yes.
You know Abhishek Bachchan.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Her father and mother was actress,
His father. His father.
good actress. Now he is now now he is good actor.
Huh.
So it's actually depends on that children or the child.
Okay. Okay.
It's
Okay.
happened
If
only
he
some
want to
cases, not
successful
all
in here,
cases.
so he can do anything.
Okay. Okay.
No, in some cases. You can't say
Now,
that.
what happened in
Yes,
baby care
it's
sector? If any baby
totally
care case
depend on
funny,
children.
that time the baby care person na he put it on milk
You know
and
that movie,
some drugs
सर
to
तो
the milk
मूवी
and
कोणता? तो
attach.
बोल दो तो अमिताभ बच्चन सांगतो मेरे पास माँ है.
I forgot that
सर तो
name.
मूवी कोणता अमिताभ बच्चन. You know,
I think
you know
Diwar,
that
Diwar.
movie.
Diwar.
One
Right,
is police officer,
right.
one is police officer, and one. So it depends on that children also,
Yes.
But in this
and it's
movie,
happening in society.
but in this movie, his mother is housewife, not a working people, working woman.
हा. So what? तो मग थेफ्ट का झाला? मग अमिताभ बच्चन चोर कसा झाला?
Because someone here wrote down in here is a hand.
Okay.
So
Next
this
point.
happening.
Okay. No, if she said that all orphanage or all baby care centers were not means not bad for all time. Some good
Yes, sir.
baby care centers also
No.
available. But only thing is that we are expecting good thoughts, good things from the mother. She can pass easily to child because
Child, yes, sir.
because what is happening, our child is always attaching towards the mother more comparatively if you will see to father. So our child is accepting all good things from mother. So Pranit is saying that it should be just should not do the job or whatever. At least suppose her child
At
suppose
least
at least for 6-7 months at least. But 6-7 months you will not get the holiday na, from anywhere.
Yes.
And
yes.
that time child too much need to her to his or her mother. So that's why he is saying. Okay. Do you have any other point, Pranit, to oppose
My
the
next
doing
point
job?
is
Yes.
safety,
Okay.
woman
Okay.
safety.
Means, madam, he is
Uh,
too much.
Yes,
He
sir.
is caring about the woman. That's why he is saying that woman should not do
Yes.
the job. Okay.
my
So you should take that
my
positively
next
also. Don't angry on Pranit. Pranit, you can carry your points.
my next point is the woman safety. Today's competitive world, there are a lot of incidents
Okay.
are happen, and
Okay.
it's not acceptable.
Right.
Uh, Sometimes our police are also not available. Sometimes
Right.
the women's helpline number are not working. Sometimes they're
Correct.
busy. All times are busy.
Right.
It's a
Correct.
part of government to develop and reduce this some communications
Right.
problems.
Okay. Right.
But what happened in if women can do the job now, that time some incidents because of the some uh, some problems for our safety, and that all women are not protect her. So
Cannot
that is
protect
what
to herself. Right.
herself.
Right.
It's very important for because and that time he also not going to against
Right.
violence against that movement.
Mhm.
हे ते आतमधल्या आत हे करतात
She cannot.
अन्याय सहन करतात.
Okay. She can she sustain.
She sustains
Hmm.
violence.
Right.
So that is happened, and it's impact on her family.
Family. It goes impact. Right.
So that's why the woman should not do the job because
Okay.
of anywhere in a private sector also mental harassment, sexual harassments are incidents are happened. So that's
Mhm.
why uh, also one share
Hmm.
is not happen only in outside. It's happened
Right.
only in family in
Right.
our house also.
Yes.
It's a needful for uh, man's mentality is also needful because of respect. If you respect your mom, if you respect your sister, if you respect your wife, then why you are not respect our society's woman and
Right.
girl? That is
Right.
most important. So
Okay.
that's why I'm telling this point. Safety is too much important, and every woman can should, if you do the job now, if you go do job, if you go anywhere, then you first to build up our own self techniques for
Right,
to
right.
develop and safety.
Okay, okay, okay. What do you think, Mamta madam, on this issue?
So in India,
Hmm.
actually 2 years girls are not safe.
Okay, okay, okay,
So don't talk about workers. Women are not safe.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay.
It means
So
you are
that
saying
is
women
not
are strong. She can handle any
important
kind
thing.
of situation,
Hmm.
right?
And she is using spray or
Oh.
some kinds of the safety pins.
Mm-hmm.
She can protect her
Okay, okay, okay.
at and you know there is in any office
Mm-hmm.
there is a special committee to provide committee for sexual harassment
Mm-hmm.
on
Yes,
women.
yes.
They
Mm-hmm.
create a special committee as available, and in
Okay,
college also,
okay, okay.
in office also, and I
Mm-hmm.
think it's in private sector it's available.
Mm-hmm.
So special committee, I don't
But
know that
but what
name.
happen in private sector?
So I
In
think
private
it's
sector, na,
she said.
in private sector, na, duty time is not properly follow.
Okay,
If government says in 9 hours, 8 hours, the private sector doesn't follow this duty hours.
okay, okay, okay,
Only
okay,
12 to 14 hours. That time he not went to left, not left in office on time.
okay,
Then what
okay.
happen
Mm-hmm.
if you live in late night, na, then it's dangerous for
Okay,
working
okay,
woman.
okay, okay, okay. Mamta madam, do you have any
Okay, but
another point?
men's are also no safe in
Okay,
Indian.
okay, okay,
Anyone can murder them.
okay, okay, okay,
Sir. It's not.
See, it's a
It's a
different parts
proper
for
reason
violence.
women should not.
okay, okay. Now,
Ah,
just now, I was expecting one point from Mamta madam, but she didn't just put up her points. That is the because of this issue. Suppose now what is happening? Women are getting easily jobs comparatively. If you will see to man are not getting that much
hmm.
easily jobs, but women are getting easily jobs. And now what is happening? Unemployment problem. If you will see in family, suppose one person will be just doing job, it cannot be sufficient to just running their family. It is also issue. So
Yes, yes,
how
yes.
can you overcome on this issue? Just I want to means I am expecting both of your points about this issue. If you are saying that human should not do the job, then how can just sustain that family? Because now what is happening? Child education is too much expensive.
Hmm.
Family expense also too much increased, and our expectations also too much increased. Then if woman will not get the job, and suppose only one man will just getting the job, how we can just manage that everything? Just I want that explanation from Pranit, especially from you, because you are, if you are opposing. And madam, I was expecting this point from you, but you didn't just put up that point.
Okay.
Okay, Pranit, what will
Yes,
you
sir.
say about
Uh,
this?
today's life is so competitive. And that time, if you complete your family needful and you will better life, that both are working. It's a needful. But
Okay.
but if both are working people, na, then you both are easily can one thing is easily do in our family. If why only woman can do work in our house,
Okay, okay, okay.
man can if you needful, both are needful job now because
Yes.
of family expectation needful. So that time you man also do the work from home.
Okay, 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 okay. Good,
So
good point.
both are easily can
They can
uh,
easily understand to each
manage
others.
for her stressful life.
Right, right,
Also
right.
communication is also needful.
It means that solution is
Ha, that
this
solution
is
is
this is the solution. We cannot just say that she should not do the job, and that is not the solution. That is the solution. We are saying that now violence is increasing, or divorce cases are increasing. Why it is increasing? Because of this issue. Because what is happening, they both cannot understand to each others. That is the issue.
Yes, sir.
So that will be the proper solution. I am agree with you. Yes, madam.
Okay, but women's getting job easily because the women's have qualification.
No,
There's different
no,
skills,
no, madam. I am not
different.
agree. I am not agree with this point. Some good people, some good men also, now they are not getting the job easily. Why it is happening? Because of availability. And what is happening? Woman, suppose she can easily agree with low salary. If you will compare to man, that's why
Yes,
what
so
is happening?
pay scale is a big issue today.
Yes.
Pay scale.
Company also expecting that suppose 4,000 one man will be just do that work, then woman can do easily job this work with 2,000.
2000.
Yes. So that's why
Okay,
what
she
is,
doesn't expect so much.
though that is also issue, na?
But
That
it's
is
negative
also,
impact on man's salary. No?
yes. I'm just
Company can benefit it. Then
Right,
what about man?
right.
In after that, he impact on her family also.
Right.
Because she has low expectation. She happy with that
No.
that
But
salary.
no, you cannot
So
say
it's
that low
not.
expectation, because women's expectation are too much high at home,
Too much high.
not in
But
workplace.
when she getting higher salary, and if her husband is not getting too much salary,
Hmm.
that's on that point she accept lots of things from her husband or her family.
Okay.
Because what happens since childhood, she sacrificed so much thing from her for her family.
Okay.
That's why it's maybe happen.
Okay. Very good. Do you have any
It's a
points?
needful for positive thinking. Both if we both discuss now, if man's salary is low, uh, if then woman's salary, wife salary is too much high. That time they both are discussed, and to avoid ego and attitude.
Right. That is also most important thing. If
Important.
because what is happening now, not I'm saying that ego or whatever, but because of stress, now everyone is expecting their smooth life. But what is happening? Suppose man is coming from outside, and after that, suppose wife will be just saying that every time, no, I have also come now, and you should just do also this thing, whatever, small kind of things also disturb to that family life. So both are
Yes.
responsible for that. So they both should just understand to each other properly. That is the proper solutions. If they cannot understand properly, then there will be no solution for at all. So
So
for
it depends on both
Both
the
people.
women and men.
yes,
Huh.
I am agree with you. That's why I am saying, if otherwise what will happen, its impacts goes towards their childs, because every time child will observe that my mom dad always fighting or whatever, then he will also suffer, he or she will also suffer. And because of these things, he will just harass from those things, because he everywhere. Why violence is increasing? Violence is increasing from our home, not from our society. Because what is happening, if our child will just go towards watch the TV, first he will see the violence there. After that, suppose he will just play on mobile game, there also they can just easily find the violence. After that, at home they can easily observe their parents, and that time also they can just find the violence. And because of this thing, now our society, we are saying everywhere violence is increasing. That the main reason is there, because we are just supporting to the violence from our home, not from the
Yes.
society. We are not getting the violence from the society, we are getting the violence from our home. Okay.
First stage.
Yes, yes.
First stage starting in
So
home.
that debate's solution is we should just keep we should support to
Each other.
each others, and if we are just sending to our wife to the jobs, then we should also take care about that issue,
Yes, sir.
because that both things are important to stand up our family. If you will see the or educational expense, medical expense, that it is important both should do the job, otherwise it cannot be possible. And suppose what is happening, suppose a woman, she just got a good qualification, after that also she is not getting the properly job, or she is not allowed to do the job, that time also it is not good thing, na? Because she always think
Yes.
that I learned everything, I just got the good education, after that also I am just not my contributing towards my family, it is also not good
Family.
things. She always thinking about that. And men can also just put up that point again and again, I am just
On his
working.
mind, in her
Yes, yes,
mind, I
yes,
am
yes, yes,
working, you're a
yes.
housewife.
Yeah. So both the things are most important. If you are
Hmm.
just going to outside and doing the job, she can also understand to his feeling, and man should also understand the woman's feeling. That
If
is the
she
proper.
wants something else from her husband, she waited for long years. If she
Right,
want one sari, she waited for 2 months.
right,
So
right.
it's not good
No,
for.
but that is that. But because of that, those things, now what is happening?
Hmm.
Woman is not just properly calculating her means earnings also. That is also
And
happening, because what is
Okay.
happening? Needs depend on us, needs depend on our priority, needs depend on our expectations. What is happening now, women's expectations are too much increasing. Why? She just didn't go for anywhere for work, she is expecting one sari in a year. But
yes,
suppose she is going to work, then she is expecting 12 saris
she
in one
expects.
year.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So that is also not good, na? Because suppose man can also easily understand that problem. So our family distractions are there. If you are going to work, it means your expectations are too much increasing. That is not good for that family relation. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
One
so
minute.
so if that both can understand properly, then it will be better. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Because of one Michael was saying in economics chapter,
uh,
wants are limited, but utilities are unlimited.
right. Correct.